I myself, Bhanu, I am from CSGD first year.
I'm Swarnav and I'm from CSGD.
My name is Parth and I'm in CSGD first year.
मेरा नाम ओम है और मैं CSGD फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ.
Our game name is Oblivion. It basically, the idea came up from our story. And the story was that a guy went into a coma and is trying to fight his subconscious mind.
So I got creative with that word mask, that if we could use the word mask, because a mask can have several meanings, a word can have several meanings. It can have it means shielding something, means things can go sideways a lot. You can use it as a mask. So we thought that, if you can use mask, means a mask can create another personality for one person. When he wears a mask, he's so confident, he feels like, yes, I can win everything. But when he's Peter Parker, he's like he's not confident with himself.
Basically, I don't know much about the art, but yeah, I learn art from scratch, level design, and main thing is the teamwork.
The happiness that happened in that span of 5 minutes when the name Oblivion came, and everyone was shocked and clapping for us. And that one moment helped us realize that, yeah, we can do something and we can do it better. And that also gave us a motivation to do it better in future.
But after that, of some time, suddenly we just heard the word Oblivion, and we were like, what just happened? And then then our designer said that it's our name, we have to go.
Finally get rewarded for it, like the name was called Oblivion. So yeah, it was the best moment, and the 48 hours was also go.
And it was a great experience. As soon as we heard Oblivion, everyone was looking here and there that why is no one standing? And then we realized it is the name of our game. And it came as a shock. Every single one was a shock. Like, our level designer didn't even move till we all went up to the stage. He was still processing that we won.
When our game is selected, then also saying that the artistic part is very good.
And the art and the level design were really great because it had the depth, it was difficult, it was engaging, and everything was perfect. My experience with the Global Game Jam was really great, and it was a great opportunity to learn about something. For 48 hours, the difficult work was for our enemy UI designer because he had to cope up with the combat mechanism, which was the most difficult part of our game.
In this 48 hours, I learned a lot. I learned the animations also, like the basics of Unity. So this was a new experience and it was really great.
And it was a quick decision. We just started the Unity 2 days before the Game Jam. All 4 of us were in the college till morning 4 AM, and we were learning Unity everything, and we were grasping every bit of knowledge we could for the Game Jam, and it helped out a lot. And the spotlight part, that was everyone's effort.
Like how do we handle the difficult situations, like communication and everything. So we have to work on our communication a little better, but it's fine. We will do this on our own pace.
And other than that, the mentors really helped us because I was also facing many issues with the animations. I was doing the key animations and it kept on going bad and bad. The triggers were wrong, the animation was not playing on time. They helped us in that too. And the facility was really good. The faculty helped us in many ways.